On this day, a group of people has visited Shizuoka Prefecture. All of them are wearing the same uniform, and they are all Yamaha technicians.
Well, my determination for the contest this year is obviously to come over and have a good time, meet a lot of interesting people and nice people, and to represent my country well on a world stage.
They are all skilled technicians selected from among 34,000 technicians spread around the world and are all aiming at becoming the world's #1 technician in a certain competition. That competition is the Yamaha World Technician Grand Prix 2018. This competition is held once every 2 years, and all of the organizing staff has been absorbed in the preparations. The spotlight illuminates the contestants as they enter. 21 elite technicians from 19 countries and regions take the stage at this year's World Technician Grand Prix.
World Technician Grand Prix can be the opportunity to further improve your skills and knowledge. You all have a possibility to be the best of the best, #1 Yamaha technician in the world.
And at last, the competitions have started. The contestants are divided into 2 classes of motorcycles: sports model class and commuter model class, to fit the sales profiles of the various countries participating. And they then pit their skills against each other. 8 contestants from 8 countries take part in the sports model class. The fiancé of the contestant from USA, Jeremy Leigh Talley, is here to cheer him on.
I think that he has a really good chance to win, yes.
13 contestants from all regions of the world take part in the commuter model class. The contestant from Taiwan is Wu Chanwei. Wu's father's here to support his son's battle. He also took part in this competition in the past and won 2nd place. Therefore, Wu Chanwei's ambition to this competition is stronger than anybody else's.
过去父亲有参加过我们的比赛，那希望我能够用超越他的方向来去参加这一个比赛，这样子，希望取得更好的名次。
The Grand Prix champion is determined by the total score of the customer relations competition and the technical skills competition. The customer relations competition is a competition scored on how well the contestants can explain the results of the repairs in an easy-to-understand way when the customer returns to pick up his motorcycle after repairs have been completed, as well as their appearance, manners, and communication skills. The technical skills competition is a competition scored on how well the contestants can find a certain fault that has been intentionally set on a motorcycle in advance and then repair it in accordance with the correct procedures within a time limit. The contestant from Indonesia is Arde Sulistyo Haryo Prakoso. He has inspected the motorcycle thoroughly by removing the fuel tank in order to find the fault. This is a global event in which the contestants are representing the countries and regions of the world, so they all need to exploit their skills to the full and cannot let their guard down. Tomoshige Yaguchi from Japan seems to be more nervous than usual and cannot catch his pace. The time ticks closer to the limit.
How was the出来は予想外でした。難しかったですか。そうですね。盲点であまり満足のいく結果ではなかった。満足いく結果ではありますね。はい。
The 21 contestants have done everything they can. Who will become the world's #1 technician? The results will soon be announced. At the award ceremony, the contestants were greeted with a warm round of applause from the audience. The contestants from USA and India were selected for the CS Award. The runners-up in the commuter model class are Vietnam in 3rd place and Indonesia in 2nd place. And the winner is Wu Chanwei from Taiwan. A tearful embrace as he hugs his father on stage.
因为我从小就跟父亲在一起，那也是因为跟父亲长期接触，那也喜欢机械这个东西，所以才一直以来不断的练习，那得到这次冠军。
The runners-up in the sports model class are the Netherlands in 3rd place, Australia in 2nd place,
No.11.
and the winner is Bret Hart from Canada.
It feels like I'm dreaming right now. It doesn't really feel real yet. I never thought this day would actually come. For everyone that is thinking about trying this, definitely go and do it. Yamaha treats you amazing. It is a wonderful experience. It's something you'll never get anywhere else. It's truly incredible, and it's a great honor. And it makes you a better technician.
ヤマハのアフターセールスの操作、それを支える一人一人のレベルの高さをこれからも世界中に伝えていきたいと思います。